Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add follow button on your Facebook page. So first of all, just open the Facebook application, tap on these three bars in the upper right corner, and you have to select your page you want to add the button. So just select your page. Now you can see that there is no follow button. So now if you tap on this view as, you can see that there is an send message button. Change this send message button to follow button. So just go for the more option, scroll to the left and you will see this more option. Just tap on this more option. Now from here scroll down and find this option, page controls, and in page control tap on this edit page, tap on this edit. Now scroll down and tap on this view details. Now from here you just simply have to tap on this apply template, tap on this apply template and click on this save button. And you can see that the template has been added. Now if we search for our page to another ID to exactly see how it looks like, so tap on your page and you can see that the follow button has been added. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.